ወይ አዲስ አበባ ወይ አራዳ ወይ አሁን የት ነው የምገኘው ጋይስ አሳያችሁ እስኪ ናፍዬ ይህ መንገድ ውጭ ሀገር አይደለም ይሄ ካናዳ አይደለም አሜሪካ አይደለም ይሄው አዲስ አበባ ቦሌ ነው የምንገኘው አዲሱ መንገድ ማለት ነው እንዴት አባቱ እንደሚያምር እኔ ልገልጽላችሁ አልችልም እኔ ግራ ገብቶኛል በምን ፍጥነት ነው እንደዚህ ያለቀው ደግሞ ጽዳቱ እንዳለ በቃ አረና ተሳያችሁ በደንብ አድርገህ እግዚአብሔርን በጣም ነው ደስ የሚለው እኔ በጣም ኮርቻለሁ what do you think about this new road
It's beautiful. Wait, my Lotte?
Hi Walter your friend is being interviewed right now I'm asking her what do you think about this new road do you think it's better than the cities and where you're from where are you guys from by the way
Best opinion. Belgium.
you're from Belgium
Yes.
okay what do you think about this road compared to the roads in Belgium
Oof, this is better.
really do you think it's clean and well built
Belgium is very bad in roads.
really
Yeah.
you guys like Addis Ababa
Yes, but what did?
oh you speak Amharic that's crazy okay I love that what about you do you speak Amharic
No.
no not even one word
I'm a Seginalu.
okay that means thank you what about you
Kas bekazan kulal begul yehdan.
what was that
Crazy, right?
as bekas you say can you
Kas.
as bekas it means slowly
Slowly, the egg begins to.
wow that's crazy what about you one word you have to speak one
I'm a
word
Seginalu.
I'm a second what about you don't say the same word oh my god huh? okay you say salam do you know salam that's the easiest word I think it's kind of internet salam no it means how you doing thank you so much for coming to Ethiopia okay.